We in the testing department are responsible for ensuring the functionality, durability and safety of all equipment developed here at this site. The safety, quality and functionality of all STIHL products is outstanding, including of course that of the lawnmowers. My name is Bernhard Huber. I am head of testing in the development department at STIHL Tyrol and have been working for STIHL for almost 20 years. The process of testing the lawnmower involves several elements. There are the safety relevant things, such as the standardized tests. Here at our site, we have our own specially designed sound measurement room, where we can test the sound power level of our products. After the knock test, the blade and the connection must not come loose. We replace the parts, such as the blade and the connection, but the appliance is then immediately ready for use again. To ensure durability and function, a large number of tests are organized, which means we have many different test benches here at the site, such as the roller test bench, the concentricity test, and the handlebar test. But we also go directly to the end consumer to carry out a user test, where intensive testing takes place over the product service life. In our testing department, we perform the individual tests relatively early on. We start by carrying out various component tests, and then test the first prototype. We then move on to pre-series models, which contain the first parts produced from molds, and then we go straight to the test benches.
I'm Clara Vonlich. I've been working at STIHL Tyrol for 6 years. I work in the measurement technology and simulation group. I specialize in the flow simulation of lawnmowers. In our group, we simulate mechanical issues in addition to fluid mechanics simulations. I simulate the movement of the blades of grass, as you can see here in the picture. This is the speed and direction of the grass as it travels into the grass catcher. We can use this to predict the grass collection behavior of our lawnmowers. We simulate different geometries and blades, and so we can find the optimum blade housing combination, which is then used for testing. We develop different blades depending on the area of application. For our 4-in-1 combination lawnmowers, we develop multiblades that are optimized for all 4 functions. Our aim is to develop very efficient lawnmowers to get the maximum area coverage for the user.
It's just fun to be involved in new innovations, to bring them to life, to always be at the cutting edge of technology, and to play a part in the development of our high-quality products.